Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to install softwares in your laptop. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to search for the Microsoft Store option from here. So for mistakenly click on the Microsoft Edge, you have to click on the Microsoft Store, and here you can see I have clicked on the Microsoft Store and it will get loaded according to your internet speed and device specifications. And here you can see it already gets loaded, and after that what you need to do is click on the apps option from the left hand side, and here it will take a couple of seconds according to your internet speed and device specifications. After that you have to scroll down here, and here we can see here you will get all kinds of app. For example, this is free, this will cost $0.99 to purchase, and there are all kinds of apps. Here you can see all the for example, that will be Photoshop is paid, and the Sketchbook Pro is will cost you around $25 to purchase. And here you will also get the top free apps, for example WhatsApp, Discord, Netflix, and whatever you want. You can download it simply for free. So for example, I would like to download the VLC media, and if I simply click on the VLC media and then click on enter, after that it will take a couple of seconds according to your internet speed and device specifications, as I said previously. And here you can see all the keywords that are matching with VLC media is showing here. And here you can see I would like to download this one. I have to simply left click on it, and after that it will take you to this place. Then you have to click on the install option from here, and after that when you click on the install option, it will simply start to getting downloaded, and then you will get the option of open here. And if you click on the open, it will simply take you to the VLC media app. And you can also find it to the start button. If you search for the VLC media player, here you can see the VLC media player is here. You can simply click on the open, and it will simply just turn on your app. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.